never know so this with a swear. Like everything will come with. I'm happy for the past and everything, you know, but I have to rehearse every single day. You know, the studio every single night till morning. Sometimes I'm saying, oh, them want me sending some lyrics and some things. I'm sending something. They must say, the one that ready. Them very blunt. That not ready because them want me come perfect. And but they're not perfect. See, you know, it's hard. I'm kind of new to this. But,
Brini, hear me say, this is just the start in the beginning of the thing. Music rough, you know?
no.
You never reach half time yet now much, you know? And you want to give up already?
I don't want to give up, but the mere fact that I know I'm very good. And they know that I'm very good. They will push me on everything. I don't have time to scratch my head.
No, man.
I don't have time for the montage. I'm tired, man.
You know, say, no, man, a part of the journey that, you see me? You have to reap the benefit. You have to just put in the work now.
You know what I was saying? The mere fact that so many people out there believing in me, and I depend on me for a hell long piece of thing and go through the gate right now.
They not
but
it. You gotta do it. Believe in a man.
You can't say that. Whoa. I'm gonna tell you something. I want to change my name.
You may say no, babes. You say changing your name will never change you.
But Pretty feels so much like me. Like me. And then I changed the name because they asked me to. And then the management don't like the name.
So why you change it though?
Suspense.
Suspense. That's not bad still. But why you choose suspense?
Really want to know the real truth?
Yeah.
Well, when I just meet you, I didn't really want to see what was behind the mask. But I really just want to see who Sheldon was. And they always have me in a suspense. Always.
You know, easy though. So Prinny, is that the truth?
Yeah. It was really inspired by you. But that's not something I want to tell the whole world. You know?
Really, and I know say me inspire you in some ways, me. But on a serious note though, Prinny, you have to understand that the music business is rough. So you have to just rough with it too and don't give up, babes.
Remember some rough, Sheldon? Real rough?
Yeah.
Yeah, how long were they there for?
Did that. And when me left.
Okay, go on, man. But I did offer up still. But when you tell me what you really think about the name?
Be honest, I like it, you know. But here what do? Some people probably not take on to it right away. But at least you have to believe in your thing and your name. Then me come in due time.
You know, so this other side there, I'm fall in love with, I'm a deep fall in love with. The supportive side, the softer side.
I understand that, babes. But what you need to understand still, the street not pretty. Some more time we have to tug it up out there, but you will always get the softness, the niceness.
Sheldon, I have one more thing I want to talk to you about.
What that now?
The management team, I get along well where image is concerned. Right? So basically, they want me to be this nice like a black princess, and me not in that.
But, Prinny, you have to remember say you are the production, babes.
Exactly.
So, they have to work with you are say.
And that's why I try to say, when the softer me, where everybody know, me not in that. When I go up on the stage, transformation, and that I want. Command and demand everything around me. And then I tell myself to come soft with this fine voice and I need that. That's me when me and you do the same place. And I say, I'm a quick woman, you know, I don't have time to go. Just like pretend like some boy can come see me and touch me. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Best Billy. I want to hear, babes.
And I don't want men to follow because of this, but I know what I want.
Babes. This is from you know what you want. the man you want.
That's exactly my plan.
I'm looking for the man. I want to.
Hi everybody, it's your first lady Shelly Xpressionz aka Bubbles from the Big Bad YouTube series The Bartender. I'm inviting you to join us on our Sunday night live on Xpressionz JA channel at 8 p.m. where we do reviews and interviews with your favorite personalities. So make it a date and don't be late. Right here at Incognito Vacation Stay live on our Xpressionz JA's YouTube channel.